from me and Ryan's new apartment. We move in literally tomorrow, and I just had to come over and see the space empty. We have movers coming in at 8 a.m. tomorrow, and I was just like, we gotta film an empty apartment tour for the Dan fam. So that's exactly what we're doing right now, and I can't believe it. I walked in and I obviously toured this apartment with Ryan, but someone else was living here, and you know, I wasn't trying to like get in all the drawers and look at everything, and it's a little bit harder to visualize it when someone else's stuff is in the space, even though she did a great job, I have to say. It's empty now, and that only means one thing, and that means empty apartment tour, because I feel like I only showed little snippets. So welcome to our new apartment, and we're gonna do a tour right now. We're in the entryway. Definitely want to do some sort of grand entryway moment, kind of like a landing area, so updates to come on that. This is a 2-bed, 2.5 bath in Soho. Can't believe we're Soho residents now. This is very exciting. I never thought I'd live in Soho. I don't think Ryan did either, so we're pumped about it. And I'm gonna show you guys the kitchen, living room to start. You guys know I love a wood kitchen, so I was very, very, very excited about this. This is like a galley kitchen, so no island necessarily. I love it. I love the white countertops. I just discovered that these lights turn on, and I feel like this is gonna be such a vibe at night. Everything's kind of hidden, like the dishwasher right here. You would never know it's there because it's paneled. Oven, stove, obviously. Gonna have all the coffee machines, all the things. I like that light right there a lot. I love that the fridge is also kind of disguised here. Very, very fun. Hopefully it's big enough. I'm gonna have to get used to sharing a fridge with someone again. Ryan eats a lot of chicken rice. We have the freezer. Ice maker. Ice maker is a crazy thing in New York City. You just don't get it everywhere, and I'm very, very grateful for that. So this is the kitchen. I want to show you guys the kitchen from this view as well. Comment down below what you guys think. So I was initially thinking no bar stools because this is definitely very shallow, but that's why right there. But I do feel like this would be the perfect spot if like someone's cooking, someone's sitting there. So maybe we could just do little stools or something. I'm bringing the bar stools from the last apartment, so we'll see. The living room, turning around. It's a corner unit, you guys. I repeat, it's a corner unit, and I've never lived this high up before, and the view is amazing. I cannot wait to see what this looks like at night. I feel like there's just so many buildings with so many lights. It's gonna be so beautiful, and I can see the water a little bit, which is kind of fun. But we're thinking the couch will go over here, TV, the tree that Brooke is currently watering for me, which is so nice. The dining table, credenza, like, we've taken measurements, it's all gonna fit. Thank goodness, because I bought all of that furniture literally last year. Didn't think I was moving, as you guys know, but everything happened for a reason, because now Ryan and I get to move into the space. I introduced myself to the doorman downstairs. I said, hey, we're gonna be friends, just so we're clear. Heading back this way, I'm not used to having all these hallways. Here's the primary bedroom. Hello, hello. This is my closet. We have obviously the second room, so that second room is gonna be Ryan's closet, but this is mine. I love it because it's basically the same layout as my last apartment, so I'm able to kind of use that same template, if you will, for this apartment. So I'm gonna put the shoe racks up there. I'm gonna add second rods on the bottom here for pants, which was so helpful, and then I'll keep that one for like long dresses and stuff. Pretty good. I'm happy about it. Then this is the bedroom. Bed's gonna go here. Dresser. There's some room over here to play with. Like, I could do a chair, but also it just ends up being a spot where you put clothes. So maybe considering something to like put my bags and stuff like that, because I don't think they're gonna fit in the closet. I don't know. If you guys have any ideas, obviously let me know. But yeah, also need to figure out where I'm gonna put full-length mirrors. These are the things I'm thinking about. Here is our primary bathroom. I fell in love with this bathroom. When I toured the apartment, I was like, it's giving one hotel. I love it, but the main thing I love about it is the lighting in the mirrors for like filming purposes, for beauty videos and just everything. I love this kind of lighting. It reminds me of a hotel. You guys know Hotel Danielle. Now it's Hotel Danielle and Ryan. It does have the double sinks. This will be my bathroom. But Ryan can use it, of course. We're gonna put his toothbrush here and stuff like that when we're like going to sleep. But he has his own bathroom with all his products, so I can really sprawl. I need to show you guys the shower. Here's the shower. I love the travertine. It's so chic, it's sexy. Honestly, the shower is sexy. What is so funny is there is no door, there is no nothing. I mean, there's this. So I guess that's okay. I guess that works. And there's like the rainfall shower vibe, but I'm glad I also have this if I like don't want to get my hair wet or whatever. Fun little surprise when I was touring the apartment. I saw this full-length mirror, which is nice because I feel like when you're getting ready, you're also checking out your outfit. No, it's a hidden medicine cabinet with tons of shelves, so I can store all of my skincare here, and then there's obviously drawers as well. We're leaving the bedroom and now heading over to this fun area. This is the guest bathroom, half bath, powder room, if you will. I'm really excited because this way when we have guests over or just friends, whatever, I can be like, you can use this bathroom and you won't see all of my products. It's not vulnerable. And I can keep this nice and clean. I feel like, I hope. I have lots of ideas for this bathroom. I want to do some like floating shelves with like rolled up towels. My friend Cass did that and I thought it was really, really pretty. Have extra storage in here, extra stuff for the guests, all of that. But yeah, there's basically, again, I just love the lighting on these mirrors. There's a drawer here. It's pretty spacious, so I feel like I could put some piece of furniture here, like a cute little table. I don't know, I just want to like, I've been on Pinterest, let me tell you. Also over here, very, very, very grateful to have an in-unit washer dryer. Also pumped about this overhead storage, so I can put, like that's probably where we'll put like sheets, towels, etc. Lots of etc. for sure. And then this is the coat closet. Ta-da! Which initially I thought Ryan and I would be sharing this, but upon talking to some of my other friends who live with their men in 2-bedroom apartments, they're like, no, you can get the coat closet. His coat can go in his closet. I was like, that works. So we'll see. I don't know. Second bedroom. You guys probably already know the drill, but this is gonna be an office. This is gonna be a Murphy pull down bed situation, and I'm thrilled. The lighting in here is awesome. I really like the windows in here. I think it's gonna be a really great space to create as well. Speaking of Ryan's closet, this is gonna be Ryan's closet, which he's pumped about. It's also a walk-in, which is crazy. When we saw this unit, we just knew it was very special because of all the bells and whistles it has. And this is Ryan's bathroom. He also gets his own bath and shower, which is fun. I guess we'll have to put up some sort of rod, like one of those tension rods with a shower curtain. And then yeah, I want to make this a whole moment for him and like get nice trays and put his thing, I don't know, just want to make it nice because also if we do have guests, they'll sleep here. And again, the good lighting. He also has this medicine cabinet situation. But yeah, it's so crazy. This is awesome. Also, kind of thinking about doing like I don't know, maybe like a little mini fridge here. Because I'm just concerned we're gonna have lots, I love like sparkling waters, and he's a beer drinker, so I'm just trying to think this could be a good spot for that, but it also could be a good spot for like storage, a lot of other things. So these are just things I'm thinking about. 8 a.m. tomorrow, Santa's coming to town, aka we're moving in. I'm so pumped. I know I think I've said that literally 10 times in this video, but couldn't be more excited to just settle in, and I just can't wait to see all of our furniture in here. So very, very excited. I'm really happy with the lighting, which is very important. And I'm just so grateful to you guys because we wouldn't be able to live in a place like this if it weren't for you guys, and I don't discount that literally at all. So, and I love how into this you guys get. When I posted yesterday, like headed back to the city, everyone's like, oh my gosh, this means moving content. So I'm glad that you guys are excited as me, and we're gonna have a fun time. Lots of moving vlogs to come, but just wanted to get this empty apartment tour up for you guys to see. And the next chapter begins. Bye guys.